Geometry. Angle. When two rays start from a common point or intersect at a point, it forms an angle. The point where the rays originate is known as the vertex. Ray 1 and ray 2 are known as arms of the angle. An angle is formed and is written as angle x, y, z or angle z, y, x or angle y. This is the symbol used to represent an angle. Measure angles using protractor. This is an angle. We name this angle as A, O, B. OA and OB are two arms of the angle O. Step 1. Mark a dark point at the vertex of the angle that you are measuring. Step 2. Line up one of the sides that forms the angle with the 0 on the outer edge of the protractor. Read around the outer scale of the protractor from the 0 to where the other side meets the edge of the protractor. Count the degree lines carefully to get an accurate measurement. Here we see that the other side is at 60 degrees. Thus, angle AOB is equal to 60 degrees. Remember, to measure an angle like this, we place the protractor as explained in step 2. Since we have placed the protractor along the side OY, the reading of the scale will be in clockwise direction. Count the degree lines carefully from 0 till the point where the other side coincides. Angle X, or Y is equal to 80 degrees. Drawing angles using protractor. Mark the points B and C on it. Place the center point of the protractor on point B. Align ray B, C along the line on the protractor. Hold the protractor firmly. Count on from 0 to 118 degrees. Mark that point as A. Use the straight edge of the protractor to draw the ray B, A. Thus, ABC is the required angle. Types of angles. Acute angle. An acute angle is a type of angle that is smaller than 90 degrees but larger than 0 degree. Angle POQ is an acute angle. Obtuse angle. An obtuse angle is a type of angle that is larger than 90 degrees but smaller than 180 degrees. Angle EFJ is an obtuse angle. Right angle. A right angle is a type of angle that measures exactly 90 degrees. Angle ABC is a right angle. We mark the right angles like this. Straight angle. A straight angle is a type of angle that measures exactly 180 degrees. Angle T, U, V is a straight angle. Complete angle. An angle made around a point is called a complete angle. The angle around O is a complete angle. Parallel and perpendicular lines. Perpendicular lines, when two lines meet or intersect at an angle of 90 degrees, then those lines are said to be perpendicular to each other. For example, two lines AB and XY are intersecting at a point and making an angle of 90 degrees. Parallel lines. The lines that can never intersect each other no matter how much we extend them are called parallel lines. PQ and XY are parallel lines. Solid shapes. Solid shapes are objects with 3 dimensions, that is, length, breadth, and height. The flat surface of a three-dimensional shape is called the face. The straight lines where two faces meet is called the edge. The points where multiple edges meet is called the vertex. Let us now see consolidated details of numbers of faces, edges, and vertices for various three-dimensional shapes. Prism. A prism is a three-dimensional solid shape with two identical and parallel flat surfaces at the ends, called bases. Look at this solid shape. The bases of this figure are triangular in shape. That's why this prism is called a triangular prism. There are different types of prisms based on the shape of their bases. Difference between a prism and a pyramid. A triangular prism has two triangular bases and rectangular sides, while a pyramid has one polygonal base and triangular sides that meet at a common point. Nets of 3D shapes. We will get the net of 3D shaped objects by unfolding it. Net of a cube looks like this. Net of a cuboid looks like this. The net of a pyramid looks like this. Net of a cone looks like this. Net of a cylinder looks like this. Views of 3D objects. A 3D object may look different from different views. Look at this picture. It consists of 3 cubes. When we look at this shape from top, it looks like this. When we look at this shape from the side, it looks like this. And when we look at this shape from the front, it looks like this.